What is going on, guys? It's your boy RdnRacing. Welcome back to another YouTube video. Now guys, today we've got something different. We don't have a Hot Wheels model, we have a car from Space Model right here. I don't know why the focus is acting weird, but we've got a car from Space Model. So it is a Lamborghini Aventador in this amazing golf livery, amazing golf paint job, and I'm gonna walk you right through it. I'm gonna show you all the little quirks and features, all the little details. So I actually got this as a birthday present. Huge thanks for that. Yeah, we're gonna quickly unbox this vehicle. I have been waiting for a long time to unbox this, and yeah, I've not opened it as well because the box is actually sealed. So as I show you, it will actually also be my first time unboxing this car. So I am quite excited for it. So we are gonna open it right up, and the best part about this is it actually comes with an acrylic box. So this is the casing, nothing much there, but it actually comes in an acrylic box right here, which just makes this car insanely amazing. I don't know what's it about Lamborghinis, but they just blow my mind away, and this car, it's insane. So acrylic box, it comes out, and behold, the Lamborghini Aventador. I don't know why it just feels so expensive. You know, it feels very fragile for some reason. So obviously it's screwed on below right there, but I'm just excited for this car. I think it looks insanely amazing. So okay, obviously in the base plate right here, it's written Lamborghini Aventador LP700-4. I assume this is a limited production piece, 300 pieces. This is the 136th model. I'm not really sure how accurate that is, but it's nice to see that there's some kind of numbering written right there. It just shows that, you know, it's very valuable. It adds some value to it. So it actually looks insanely amazing. Do you want me? Should I remove the base? All right. You know what? Let's remove the base. Hold on for a second. I'll be back. I'm back. So I showed you the base earlier on. It has a very carbon fiber finish as well. We are actually gonna go ahead and open the base right up, so that I can actually walk through the car with you. And I think that would be a better idea. You can also have a look at the entire vehicle, because guys, I think this is insane. The details on this, I've not yet done a full review. I'm gonna do it right now, but just looking at it, it's insane. It looks really amazing. Oops, something fell. I'm not really sure what. I think it's the wing mirror just broke apart. Let me just see if I can focus this. But the wing mirror actually broke right here. We're gonna keep that aside. We are gonna focus on the car first, guys. So there you have it, the Lamborghini Aventador. It just looks amazing. This golf paint job looks insanely amazing. It's very nice. So you can see it's actually very lowered, right? So we will start off on the rear tire right there. Check that out. The tire, the details on the tire is immaculate. You can see the Lamborghini logo, very nice rims as well. The wing mirror for this actually just broke off. I do not know why that happened. I didn't hit it, I didn't press it, it just broke off. It's a bit disappointing, but we're gonna continue from there. So obviously you got some carbon fiber bits right here as well. The golf racing livery, racing fields number 4, the LB performance decal right there. A few more stickers right here as well. Front wheel, this doesn't spin well, unfortunately. They don't spin. I think it's more of a display piece, but regardless, I still love this car. It just looks insanely amazing. If you look at the front, check that out. The golf livery right here, the Lamborghini logo, the front splitter, the lip splitter, whatever you want to call it. It's just insane. The carbon fiber accents by the hood as well. And guys, check the interior out. That orange interior, oh my goodness, that's insane. And it matches so well with the stripe. I think that's the whole purpose of it. It just makes the car that much cooler. Look at this side of the car. Same thing, you can see the front aero ducts right there, the splitter, side skirts with the LB performance decal right there, the number 4, golf racing fields. Just the left wing mirror, because guess what, the right is missing. I'm going to try to put it back on at the end of the video, but for now we just have to make do with this. Unfortunately, we've got the back rear tire as well with the Lamborghini logo. Another decal, right, says Forgiato LB Performance. No idea what that is. And if you look at the back, here's where it gets amazing, because look at that back. Isn't this insane? So obviously you've got the quad exhaust, amazing diffuser, massive rear wing. I just love the rear wing on this. And if you look at the top right here, I'll just try to get the focus right and just check that out, guys. So it says Golf Racing Fuels right here. You can actually see the engine casings because it's transparent right here, which is really nice. You can see the entire engine at the back of the vehicle as well. All in all, guys, I think this car looks amazing. The only thing is the wing mirror just fell apart out of nowhere. It really caught me by surprise and it made me really sad. I'm quite sad that it dropped off. I'm gonna try to attach it back, but I don't think I can do much about that. But just like that, guys, we're gonna do a few rolling shots. I'll see you at the end. And just like that, guys, we've come to the end of the video. I hope you guys had an amazing time. I actually had an amazing time unboxing this car. It is gonna go superly, insanely, amazingly well in my collection. I mean, this has to be one of the best cars, the best detailed cars. Obviously, the wing mirror is a bit unfortunate, but I think this has to be one of the best cars I have in the collection. But yeah, just like that, guys, this video is over, and I'm out. Bye.